Hi friends. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you create unlimited Gmail accounts without using a phone number. So let's get started. Open your browser. Type here, create Gmail account. Click enter button. Click on this first site. Click on this red button to create an account. Fill in any random information in these boxes. Click on the next button. Here, as you can see, phone number option is optional. It means it's depending on you if you want to add a number or if you don't want to, it is up to you. Here, select all these information randomly. Click on the next button. Done. Friends, with this method you can create unlimited Gmail account again and again. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and don't forget to press the bell icon for more videos.